I wake up every morning at 7. I wake up every morning at 7. I go to the bathroom first. I go to the bathroom first. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I comb my hair slowly. I comb my hair slowly. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. The water is warm and nice. The water is warm and nice. I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel. I put on my face cream. I put on my face cream. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. I clean my face with a towel. I clean my face with a towel. I feel fresh and clean now. I feel fresh and clean now. I am ready to start my day. I am ready to start my day.